Hey, it's the Analytics Dude, and I want to talk to you for a second about self-service analytics. It's been in the news a lot lately thanks to Salesforce purchasing Tableau for about $14 billion. Now, if you've followed me for any period of time, it's not really a secret that I'm a big fan of Alteryx. I use it at BCG, and it is the perfect analytical tool for consultants. It's easy, versatile, and powerful. Unfortunately, it's also expensive. Now, that's not unique to Alteryx. All enterprise analytics software platforms are expensive. Recently, I was looking for an analytical platform for some personal stuff, so I asked a friend of mine who's an even bigger nerd than I am if there was some sort of freeware alternative to Alteryx. He mentioned KNIME. I downloaded it, I've been trying it out, and so far I'm impressed. One of the biggest benefits to a tool like KNIME, Alteryx, or even Azure ML Studio is the visual workflow. When you're doing some sort of complex analysis in Excel or something more complicated in R or Python, knowing what processes have and haven't been done to the various segments of data can get confusing. Everyone has had trouble with this. Everyone. That was something where visual workflows make keeping track of that much easier. That seems obvious, and it probably is. The problem is that companies have been trying to build visual workflows for their analytical platforms for years, but they pretty much all sucked until Alteryx came along. KNIME, while not quite as polished as Alteryx's workflow, is quite good. I'll be releasing some upcoming videos on simple but powerful things you can do with those visual workflows to either simplify something you'd normally do in code or replace some sort of overly complex analysis in Excel. Stay tuned for next time where we start out with the foundation of using joins.